As far as adjustments go and things on the combine, it was a learning curve. It definitely handled things differently than what the OEMs did. Noticed first thing, we ended up running wider on the concaves, so we maintained a larger gap in there. Never felt necessary or the necessity to pull those concaves down. We just, it was able to thresh out the grain very easily. It worked a lot differently than what the OEM stuff, where we always felt like we had to pressure those two or bring our gaps down tight. So I think it reduced a lot of strain on the entire system and reduced a lot of strain on everything. So there were a few setting changes that you'll have to find or work with through that. The KX7s, they took a lot of variability out of it and kind of gave you something that was able to handle a broader variety of harvesting conditions. You know, it was more, I don't want to say set it and forget it, but it was, you just didn't struggle with the desire to change the machine constantly throughout the day, trying to catch or vary what you were doing, you know, concave gap or rotor speeds and things. Things were more forgiving and more, you know, it just gave you more time to not think about that throughout the course of the day. And yeah, from harvesting conditions, whatever they were, you know, they were buffered by the concave, seemed like.